Behind every strong woman is her cat. I don't even own a cat, but I just thought it was so funny. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Today we are doing my very first Sunday reset in my new home. I'm so excited. This place is quite a mess, so it's going to be a really good Sunday reset. We're not going to just be cleaning. We're going to be meal prepping. We're going to be unboxing some things. We're going to be doing all the Sunday reset things. So we're first going to start off with a little unboxing because that is the best way to start off your morning, is Christmas essentially. All the things that I'm unboxing today are from Redbubble. Redbubble is actually sponsoring this video, so shout out to Redbubble. I have been so excited to unbox these things, but I've been wanting to wait to do it on camera. Where should we begin? Where are my scissors? Redbubble has a ton of independent artists on it, and it is such a cool place to find really unique things. So I just recently moved into this condo, and I wanted to get some art for this place that wasn't just typical. I could find it anywhere. I wanted it to be unique. I wanted it to really speak to me and to my interests. I got a couple of things. I'm so excited. It is packaged very well. I got a couple. Oh, these are huge. I got a couple of prints. I wanted these for my office, for my bathroom, for my bedroom. Oh, this is ginormous. Look at this one. I really love neutral colors, especially in my apartment. These are so cute. Also, I'll have the list of all the things that I got down here, so you guys can shop all my favorite things that I got from Redbubble, and you guys can use 15% off using my code. I'll have the code on the screen for you guys. This is the first thing. I really wanted to get some large scale prints. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited for this one. So if you guys don't know, I live in Arizona, so I wanted to get some kind of like Arizona print. I think Redbubble is a really great place to find gifts for other people or for yourself that are very personalized. I think Redbubble is like the best place to find a gift for a friend. If you have a friend with a really niche interest, that is the best place. They have such unique things. This is an Arizona print. I live in Arizona. It's just perfect. I also got another Arizona one right here. I think this one is so cute. I love the neutral colors of this one. It is stunning. Oh, this one's so cool. The prints that I got are obviously very neutral because I'm a very neutral girly. However, they have a ton of like fun, quirky, colorful prints. There's something for everyone. They don't just do posters. I just got quite a few of them. I also got some shirts. One of my favorite things recently has been big oversized shirts. I want to start collecting them. At night, I sleep in oversized shirts, and I was like, this is the perfect place to get like fun, quirky ones. I'm gonna show you guys first before I even look at it. Behind every strong woman is her cat. I don't even own a cat, but I just thought it was so funny. They have really cute designs on really high quality materials. Imagine just me sleeping in bed in this. This is so cute. You can also get like every design on different colors. So I chose pink. I chose pink for 2 of them actually. This one is so funny. Look at it. It's so cute. Let's go. And it's an alien with a peace sign. Let's see this one. So I got this one in a blue color. Oh, they're dolphins. Look at them. They're so cute. A lot of these prints, you can get them on a shirt. You can get them on a poster. You can get them on a sticker. You can get them on so many different things. I also got some stickers in here. They had some Taylor Swift stuff, which is like right up my alley. Oh, these are so cute. So these are the 2 stickers that I got. This one is an All Too Well like movie ticket, and this one says I don't know. If you guys know the reference, you know the reference. How cute are these? I'm thinking about putting them on my water bottle or maybe my laptop. I also got another one. I really wanted to get some prints for my place because I just moved in here, like I was saying. That's what I got majority of this stuff for. But this place really is perfect. Ooh, this one's packaged really cute. This one, I was thinking of doing this one for my bathroom. Look at how cute this one is. Whoa. It's 2 people diving into a wine glass. I thought this was so cute. Oh, there's another person up there. They're like jumping off a dive board. Do you see that? Into a wine glass. I thought that was so cute. We're gonna hang these up around my place. If you guys want to check out Redbubble, you can shop all my favorite things and get 15% off. My code will be on the screen. I'm trying to decide where I want to put everything. Everything's so cute. So I don't have any frames, so I was thinking of just taping these or pinning these to the wall, seeing where I like them, and then getting the frames afterwards, so we can kind of play around where we want the placement of them. Like I said, I'm thinking this one, the wine print in my bathroom. I'm trying to decide if I want it here or if I want it here, so when I close the door you can see it. I'm thinking, I don't know if this is too big to put. I think this might be just the right size to put above here. Do you guys think, or should I put it here? I'm thinking, the good thing about tape is that we could always undo it if we don't like it. I think I need something to hold this down while I tape it. Okay. It is very curly because I did just unbox it from the packaging. However, I'm gonna frame it anyway, so it's not gonna be a long-term issue. I'm just using blue tape to put it up for now. I'm still trying to decide where I want to put it. I also think that framing this and having this behind glass will be better for the longevity of this painting because I shower in here, so the moistness. I'm so excited to put up art. I feel like this place is a little bare because it's just mainly white. I love this print so much. I think it's so funny. I still haven't fully decided if I want it here or if I want it here. I'm thinking, okay, before I was thinking here, but now I'm thinking here. We're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it to the side. Oh, oops. I'm thinking like here. Like, will it stay? It's really cute. If I just hold it like this for a while, do you think it will stay? I could always tack it to the wall. We're struggling. We need a backup plan. So this is obviously not ideal with the corners like this, but I kind of wanted to flatten it out first of all, and second of all, just see if I like it there. And I do. I think it's really, really cute. What do you guys think? I probably would get like a different color towel to go with it, but I think it's so cute. Okay, what do we think? Obviously, I want to get frames for them, but this is just kind of seeing if they look good together. I don't know. Originally, I wanted to put them side by side, but do you guys think the colors go together? I think they're really cute. I love them, and I definitely want to include them somewhere in this office. I'm just not sure if I want to hang them up next to each other, but I think they're really cute. So I'm going to keep them like this for now. I think they're adorable. I'm so excited to like put a frame around these. I need to order a frame for sure. Look how cute this is, you guys. Obsessed is an understatement. This is so cute. This is going to be my new like everyday shirt. You know what I mean? Like that shirt that you wear when you get home, the shirt that you sleep in, the shirt that you do laundry, the shirt that you do everything in. This is going to be that shirt for me. Okay, now it's time to get to cleaning. One thing that really sucks about this place is my laundry is broken, so I actually have to go back to my old place to do my laundry, which I'm not super excited about. However, I'm a little worried that I turned the water off there. I can't remember if I turned the water off there when I moved into here or if I scheduled it to turn off when my lease ends. I guess we're gonna have to figure that out together. We're gonna do a little trip over there, see if I can do my laundry. I'm not super excited about having to go over there to do my laundry for the next month, but it is what it is. It's just temporary, or at least that's what I'm gonna tell myself. I'm gonna put all my laundry in a trash bag and we're gonna go over there. All of my clothes are in here. Let's go to the old place. Oh, it's so heavy. We're back in the apartment. It's so empty in here. I probably should close the blind, but let's see if the water still works. It should, right? Oh, yay. Whew. Okay, got it. Oh, we left the light on. We're gonna have to pay for that. I left all my laundry stuff on purpose. I'm just gonna do one load. Typically, I'd probably do like one for whites, one for colors. I don't feel like coming back here that many times to switch it out. So we're just gonna do one. And I need to remember to bring a trash bag home. Or wait, bring one here to bring the clean clothes home. So that's cool. It's gonna fit. I'm doing a few color catchers just because I'm, you know, mixing. Now back to the condo. One thing on Sundays that I want to start including in my Sunday reset routine is meal prepping. So every Sunday I want to meal prep a crock pot recipe for lunch, or at least for now I want to. I kind of like to make up stuff as I go. I'm thinking of doing chicken breast and then using this marinade. It is the Signature Select Lemon Pepper 30-minute marinade. I just figured I could just top it with this, put it on low for 6 hours and see if it's good. I also want to meal prep a side dish. I think the 2 things, possibly 3, that I want to meal prep every week is a protein for my lunches and then a side dish vegetable for the entire week. So I'm gonna do some roasted broccoli. I haven't used my oven yet since moving in here, so we'll see how that goes. I'm thinking of doing this chicken breast and then maybe some minced garlic and some seasoning. I have some chicken breast in here. I think what I'm gonna do is slice these in half just so they can cook a little bit faster and be more tender, and we're just gonna throw it all in there. I don't know if it's gonna turn out well or not. I've never done this. I'm just kind of making this up as I go. Hopefully this sauce is good. The chicken is inside of here. I'm thinking of seasoning it with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and then I'm gonna get some minced garlic from my fridge. It's gonna kind of like layer the top of it with quite a bit of garlic. I probably could have done more garlic, honestly, but whatever. And then I don't know how much of this lemon pepper stuff I'm going to use. I'm just gonna kind of pour it until I'm like, yeah, that looks like enough. And then I'm just gonna put it on low for 6 hours. And then that will be, hopefully this will taste good and not waste 2 chicken breasts. But if it's good, that'll be my lunch for the week. And that will, whoa. Okay, just splash that everywhere. I don't know how much of this I need. I guess I only did half of it. Oh, maybe I'll do a little bit more. I did about half of it and it covered the chicken, and that's kind of my, like, I don't want to say like litmus test because I don't think that's the right usage of that word. I always try to submerge the chicken in juices because I find that makes it like the juiciest. I'm gonna kind of like mix it around so it gets under the chicken breast and everything. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to use the whole bottle, but hopefully this is good. Put our lid on her, turn it on low, and then right now it's 10:30, so 4:30. This is what it looks like if you're curious. I hope it's good. I really hope so. This is my first time using this oven. Wait. bake maybe? Okay, cool. While my oven preheats, I thought we could make a few other things. Just some more meal prep, and we can make some protein ice cream. I have a Ninja Creamy, and so I thought we could make some pints of ice cream to freeze. Okay, now I need to find where I put my blender. I'm not gonna lie, I've been struggling finding where I put everything. I like to blend them. Oh, I just realized I do have like one of those like little frother thingies, but I'm gonna blend it because that's what I know how to do. Also, you know, in the meantime, I need some water. I'm thirsty. So we are on the road to finding all the stuff. I've shown this recipe in the past, but I'll show it again because I'm making it right now. So we're gonna do half a cup of milk. This one I choose has 13 grams of protein for 1 cup, and we are using 1 cup. I find that 1 cup is literally the perfect amount for the pint. I'm just afraid that this 1 cup is going to be too big for the blender bottle. Okay, we're making it work. Perfect. Other things that we add into this: 1 spoonful of sugar-free, fat-free gelatin. The reason you use this is just to kind of make it more of that ice cream consistency. And all the TikTokers use this version of it. I'm also making the, ooh, almost knocked it over. This is also a peanut butter flavored ice cream. So I'm doing PB Fit powder. I'm just doing like 1 spoonful of that. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, I just dropped it on the counter. Fantastic. I love when that happens. And then last but not least, for our protein, we're adding some vanilla protein powder. This one is like an ice cream flavored one, so it's very sweet, which kind of adds to that ice cream taste. Throw that in there. And then I'm just gonna blend it until it's smooth. You can't just like mix it with a spoon because you're going to taste the powder in it when you blend it in the creamy, which is just disgusting. So that's not what we want. Give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna put it in my blender. This is a magic bullet. And we blend. Now that that is all blended up, we're adding it to our pint. And I believe that this is like the perfect measurements to get it to fill just to the max fill line. Like just right under it. Sometimes it hits it, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. But this is delicious. And then all you do is freeze this overnight and then you just put it, it's really good. And you're creamy and you're ready. And it's so good. Our side dish of the week is roasted broccoli because I'm obsessed with broccoli. Spray my baking sheet with some avocado oil. Throw my broccoli on here. I feel like this is not gonna be enough. Wow, that really wants to let you know that it's done preheating. Wow, that was a little dramatic if you ask me. Since we're roasting the broccoli, I'm gonna spray it with avocado oil as well. And then season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Those are my usual seasonings that I do with everything. They never do me wrong. I also love to like really pack on the garlic powder. I'm a garlic girl. I'm just gonna mix all of this around and then throw it in the oven. How long do I roast in the oven for? I feel like I roast broccoli all the time, but I can never remember how long to do something for. So I always have to Google it. 15 to 22 minutes. I'm probably gonna do, oh gosh, I'm kind of scared to use this oven because I just never used it. You never know. Maybe I'll do 20. I probably should do 15 then check on it. Oh, just knocks on my floor. Okay, my floor is clean. There's always like one little like leaf with the broccoli. I don't know if they do that intentionally to keep it fresh. I don't know if that's a thing or not. There's always a leaf in the broccoli. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
Now it is time to clean up all of this. My bed is fully made. I added these sheets that I love. I think they're really cute. They're these floral ones. I think they're perfect for spring and summer. On Sunday resets, there are days where I do more and there are days where I do less. Today may be a day where I do less because I have a lot of editing that I need to get done, and that kind of takes precedent over cleaning like every little nook and cranny. I also did just move in here, so it hasn't really been that dirty, honestly. It was mainly just a pickup, a little spray here and there. And we still have the laundry that we need to do. We need to get over there and do that. What time is it? We still have about 30 minutes before I need to go back and switch it out. But in the meantime, I'm probably going to be editing my Sunday reset on my phone. I post Sunday resets like YouTube and TikTok and Instagram all the time. So like if you're looking for more of a short form one, check it out. I just finished filming my Sunday reset. Let me show it to you guys. Laying in bed with my fan full blast. You guys can probably hear the motion of the wind from the fan. So essentially what I showed you guys, me recording, I was also doing this on my phone. So I edited all of this. This one's a little bit slower than I feel like normally, but I think it turned out fine. So I'm gonna upload this to all the platforms and then we're gonna head over to my old apartment to finish the laundry. And we're back. Need to switch it on over. It smells really good in here. It smells like laundry. And now we leave and we come back in an hour and a half. And now we're going back to the condo. I've been back here for maybe like 2 hours. I've been editing a YouTube video the entire time. I just got a notification that someone's at my front door. Who's at my front door? Oh, no one's at my front door. It just was a mistake. I kind of got scared. I was like, oh my gosh, what? But I've been back here, been editing a video. My laundry's probably done, but I also don't want to go over there, have it not be done, have to leave and come back and do the whole thing again. So I'm probably just gonna wait a little bit longer, especially because it's drying the clothes. So it's not like there's gonna be like wet clothes just sitting in my washing machine for too long, because that would be pretty gross. Just been editing my YouTube videos. A lot of my Sunday is editing. A lot. I edited my weekly vlog yesterday, thankfully, which takes a really long time, but I did that last night, so I didn't have to do it today because I knew I would have quite a bit of editing to do today on top of like all the Sunday reset tasks that I typically like to do. I'm trying to get everything done. Cooking, cleaning, editing. I'm trying to think if there's other things to get done. Relaxing, laying in bed. It's my favorite task. My favorite hobby is laying in bed. I really don't want to go over to my old apartment. It's actually really nice that I'm able to do this. My lease doesn't overlap for too long, so this is not a long-term thing, obviously, and hopefully my washer and dryer will be fixed here. In the meantime, there's an HOA meeting this weekend, and I will be attending because I'm very curious to hear what they say about fixing our communal washer and dryers here, because I'm like, I need to clean my clothes. I'm at the old place. I'm really thirsty, and I'm so happy that I left a ton of water bottles for myself so I can drink some water. But I'm gonna fold all the laundry and then put it in a clean trash bag and then bring it back over and hang it all up. Again, this is not ideal, but hopefully for a short period of time. Thankfully that I have this as an option, because I else would just have like dirty laundry and not know what to do. But I'm very thankful that this is an option. Although it is annoying, it is a blessing. All my clothes are folded in this trash bag, and now we're gonna go back home and hang it all up. Usually I just take stuff straight out of the dryer and then hang it up. I don't even fold it unless it goes in one of my drawers. So it's a little annoying having this extra step, but it is what it is. I have decided that doing the laundry and putting it away will be a midnight me problem. I need to rest. I've been busy, but I wanted to check on the chicken. I'm not gonna eat it now, but I want it to be shredded and like ready to go. It looks really good. What do you guys think? Actually, wait, I want to take an aesthetic photo of it really quickly for my thumbnail. Pause while we do this. Wait, this is kind of cute. Slay. Okay, thumbnail has been taken. Now I'm gonna get my meat thermometer and just make sure it's cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna shred it. I feel like it should be fine, but you know, better safe than sorry. Yeah, so I like to do is I like to shred it, and then I like to put it on warm and kind of let some of the chicken soak up the extra juices, and I find that it does that when it's on warm. Oh, this is shredding so nice. This is like so nice and tender. So I love the crock pot. So yummy. I hope this is gonna be good. I'm honestly not super hungry right now, but I don't really want to eat it. So I'm just gonna try it out tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be good and not have a gross lunch. I'm afraid this marinade may be like a little too much. That's my one fear. But other than that, I think it'll be fine. Oh, I just burned myself. Okay, ow. This does look a little gross, I will be honest. Looks kind of like cat food, like tuna. But I'm just gonna put the lid on, have it on warm for a little bit before I put it in my Tupperware. Other than that, probably gonna call it a day on this vlog. Make sure to check out Redbubble. I'll have the link down below to check out all my favorites and my promo code as well. 15% off, which is a really great deal. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.